Welcome to Lecture 32 of Edutube's blockchain course, where we transition from theory to real-world practice. In this lecture, we're going to explore practical applications of blockchain technology for small businesses and startups. If you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner looking for innovative ways to streamline operations, enhance security, or build trust with your customers, then this video is for you. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrencies or large corporations. It's a versatile tool that can help small businesses solve everyday challenges. Imagine running a local bakery where every transaction, from purchasing ingredients to managing customer orders, is transparent and secure. Or consider a startup that can use blockchain to ensure data integrity and build customer trust without the need for expensive middlemen. Today, we'll break down how blockchain can be applied practically in everyday business scenarios using simple language and relatable examples. 1. Enhancing payment processing and reducing costs. A. Streamlined payments. One of the biggest challenges for small businesses and startups is handling payments efficiently. Traditional payment methods often involve high transaction fees and delays. Blockchain technology offers a solution through cryptocurrencies and smart contracts that enable instant and secure daily life example. Imagine a coffee shop that accepts digital payments via blockchain. When a customer pays with cryptocurrency, the transaction is recorded instantly on a secure digital ledger. There's no need for expensive intermediaries like banks or payment processors, which means lower fees and faster access to funds. This is similar to using a peer-to-peer payment app that transfers money directly from one person to another without any delays. 2. Improving supply chain transparency. Tracking and authenticity for small businesses that rely on sourcing products or materials, ensuring quality and authenticity is crucial. Blockchain can be used to track the entire supply chain, from the origin of raw materials to the finished product on your store shelf. Daily life example. Consider a local organic food store that wants to verify that its produce is genuinely organic. By using a blockchain-based supply chain system, every step, starting from the farm through transportation to the final delivery, can be recorded and verified. This transparency builds trust with customers, similar to reading detailed reviews and ratings before making an online purchase. B. Reducing fraud and counterfeiting. By recording each transaction in a tamper-proof manner, blockchain minimizes the risk of fraud and counterfeiting. This is especially important for small businesses dealing with high-value items or specialized products where authenticity is paramount. 3. Strengthening data security and customer trust. A. Secure record. Keeping blockchain's decentralized and immutable ledger offers robust security for storing business data. Small businesses can use blockchain to safeguard important records such as contracts, transaction histories, and customer information. Daily life example. Think of a local boutique that stores customer loyalty program details on a blockchain. Every purchase and reward is recorded securely, much like a personal diary that only you can update and verify. This not only protects data from hacking or tampering, but also builds customer trust by showing that their information is safe. B. Building trust through transparency. Transparency is a cornerstone of blockchain. By allowing customers to verify transactions and product origins, businesses can build a reputation for honesty and reliability. This is similar to a restaurant that openly shares its sourcing practices and customer reviews, fostering a sense of community and trust among its patrons. 4. Facilitating smart contracts for automation. A. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. For small businesses and startups, these contracts can automate routine tasks such as payments, order processing, and inventory management. Daily life example. Imagine you run a subscription-based service for artisanal cheeses. With smart contracts, subscriptions can be automatically renewed and payments processed without manual intervention. It's like setting up an automatic bill payment on your phone, ensuring that everything runs smoothly without extra effort. B. Reducing administrative overhead. Automating processes with smart contracts not only saves time, but also reduces the likelihood of human error. For a startup, this means lower administrative costs and more resources to focus on innovation and customer service. 5. Enhancing customer engagement and loyalty programs. Z. Tokenization of loyalty points. Blockchain technology enables businesses to create digital tokens that can be used as loyalty points or rewards. These tokens can be exchanged, tracked, and even traded, offering a modern twist on traditional loyalty programs. Daily life example. Imagine a neighborhood diner that rewards customers with digital tokens every time they dine. These tokens could be redeemed for free meals, discounts, or special events. This system is similar to collecting stamps at a coffee shop, but digital tokens are more secure and flexible, allowing customers to track and exchange their rewards easily. B. Creating a community around your brand. By leveraging blockchain-based loyalty programs, businesses can build vibrant communities where customers feel valued and engaged. This is akin to joining a local club or community group where every member's contribution is recognized and rewarded. Crowdfunding and investment opportunities. A. Decentralized crowdfunding platforms. For startups, raising capital is often a major hurdle. Blockchain opens up new avenues for decentralized crowdfunding, where businesses can raise funds directly from investors without relying on traditional financial institutions. Daily life example, imagine a local tech startup launching a crowdfunding campaign on a blockchain platform. Investors can contribute directly using digital currencies, and every contribution is recorded transparently. This is similar to platforms like Kickstarter, but with enhanced security and lower fees, making it easier for small businesses to secure the funds they need to grow. B. Building investor. Trust blockchain's transparency ensures that all funding and expenditure are visible to investors. This level of openness can help build trust and attract more investors who are confident that their money is being used responsibly. 7. Overcoming barriers to adoption. A. User-friendly solutions. While blockchain technology can seem complex, many new solutions are being designed with ease of use in mind. For small businesses and startups, adopting blockchain should not require extensive technical knowledge. Think of it as switching from a traditional cash register to a modern point-of-sale system that simplifies operations. Daily life example. Consider how smartphones made photography accessible to everyone, not just professionals with expensive equipment. Similarly, user-friendly blockchain applications enable businesses of all sizes to benefit from this technology without needing a deep technical background. B. Education and support. As blockchain continues to evolve, educational resources and support networks are growing. Many platforms now offer tutorials, customer support, and community forums to help small business owners integrate blockchain into their operations. Conclusion: today we've explored the practical applications of blockchain technology for small businesses and startups. Let's quickly recap what we covered. Payment processing. Blockchain enables faster, cheaper transactions by eliminating intermediaries, much like a direct peer-to-peer payment system. Supply chain transparency. Small businesses can use blockchain to verify the authenticity of products, building trust with customers. Data security and trust. Secure record-keeping and transparency help protect customer data and enhance credibility. Smart contracts. Automate routine tasks, reduce administrative overhead, and ensure smooth operations. Customer engagement. Tokenized loyalty programs can modernize rewards and create a community around your brand. Crowdfunding. Decentralized platforms offer a new way for startups to raise capital with transparency and lower costs. Overcoming adoption barriers. User-friendly solutions and educational support make blockchain accessible to businesses of all sizes. Blockchain technology is no longer just a buzzword. It's a practical tool that can revolutionize how small businesses operate and compete in today's digital economy. By embracing blockchain, entrepreneurs and startups can streamline their operations, reduce costs, and build stronger relationships with their customers. Thank you for joining me in this lecture on the practical applications of blockchain for small businesses and startups. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Edutube for more engaging, beginner-friendly content on blockchain technology and digital innovation. Stay tuned for our next lecture, where we'll wrap up our comprehensive blockchain course and look at the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Happy learning, and see you in the next...
Edutube, because education is mandatory.